This over here is our spindle disassembly area. So what we're doing in this area here is specific to the machine tool spindle rebuild. This repair facility is one of 17 that SKF has globally around the world. And what we do every time we get a spindle in, we look in that database, we possibly see if we've ever repaired a spindle. We know the manufacturer, serial number, we take a look, the customers, and we see if we've ever done it before. A lot of these spindles that we get in for repair, we've never done before, not all of them, but some of them. And we don't really get blueprints from the customers, and it's up to us to figure out how this thing comes apart, how it's supposed to be put back together, what tolerances, and perform the rework and reassembly. So we check it into the global database. Then what the technicians would do is they take a spindle over to the work area. They would go ahead and just start to disassemble it. We create a digital picture file for every spindle, whether we've done it one time. Some of these customers we've done things 10, 15 times. Every time we get it in, we take these pictures. They have a couple purposes. One being that, again, we don't get the documentation from the customers to have the complete set of drawings. We're in competition with the manufacturers, so they're certainly not going to help us, give us all kinds of information on how to compete against them. So we don't get a full set of prints or anything like that. The disassembly guys will go ahead and document the spindles as they come apart. Helps the reassembly guys know where things go, how things are wired back up, where fittings and things like that are put. We'll also serve the purpose. This particular customer here had an issue where it had been repaired before, got short life, couldn't figure out why. We took a look at the photos of it, compared them to the first time and last time, and saw that they had a reoccurring problem with plugging of the coolant motor jacket. It was getting full of sediment, overheated the motor, causing the bearings to fail. So they, sure enough, took a look at the machine, found they had a problem with the filtration system. We were able to rectify that situation, turn back to getting like normal type life out of the spindle. So the pictures, like I say, every time we do a spindle, whether we've done it one time, we've done it 10 times, we take photos of it. This helps us give information and feedback back to the customer on why, maybe the spindles have failed and what they could possibly do to get increased life. Over here we